How to fix if Samsung's A16 mobile data is slow. So let's start the video. First of all, turn on or off flight mode 2 to 3 times. Open settings and click on connections. And here you can turn on or off flight mode 2 to 3 times. After that, go back to your home screen and check your network connection will work properly or not. After checking the network connection, then reinsert your SIM. After reinserting your SIM, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings, then scroll down and click on general management, and then click on reset, and then click on reset mobile network settings. After reset the mobile network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.